Welcome to the guided meditation on quieting your inner critic. In this meditation, we will explore how mindfulness can help you observe your inner critic with compassion, allowing its voice to soften and quiet over time. The practice of mindfulness not only helps you become aware of these critical thoughts, but also enables you to move beyond them, connecting with your deeper, truer self. By embodying this practice and engaging the mind-body connection, embodiment, you'll start to experience this shift not only consciously, but also in your subconscious mind, transforming how you relate to yourself on a deeper level. I recommend doing this meditation daily for at least 30 days to fully experience its benefits. Let's get started. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and hold it for a moment. Then gently exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. We will do a lot of breath work today, as this is what allows thinking to become feeling. As you continue to breathe, allow your body to relax more and more. Inhale deeply again, inviting calmness into your body, and exhale, letting go of any tightness. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw unclench, your limbs grow heavy. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body settle into stillness and ease. Your mind is beginning to quiet, and you're ready to explore the inner landscape of your thoughts. Now that your body is relaxed, gently shift your attention inward. Begin by focusing on your breath, noticing the natural rhythm as it flows in and out. Allow your breath to guide you into a state of calm awareness. As you breathe in, imagine drawing in a sense of peace and clarity. And as you exhale, let go of any tension or self-judgment you may be holding. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into the present moment. Now bring your awareness to your thoughts. Without judgment or criticism, simply observe what thoughts arise. You may notice the voice of your inner critic, those self-critical thoughts that point out your flaws, your mistakes, or perceived shortcomings. For now, just observe this voice without engaging or resisting. Now take a deep breath in and hold, saying silently to yourself, "I am not my thoughts." And exhale. Do this one more time. Deep breath in and hold. Say to yourself, "I am not my thoughts." And exhale. holding the breath while you say the affirmation takes it beyond just the thinking mind and into the feeling body. In the body is where we hold worry and stress. Some feel it in their chest, some in their stomachs. Now, as you breathe again deeply, imagine your inner critic as a small, distant voice. And with each breath, feel the space between you and this voice growing larger. You are not here to fight or silence the inner critic. Rather, you are observing it with mindfulness and compassion. Inhale again deeply, and as you exhale, silently affirm to yourself, I observe my thoughts without judgment. Feel a sense of detachment from the inner critic, knowing that these thoughts do not define you. As we deepen our process of quieting the inner critic through breath work and visualization, I want you to take another slow, deep breath in for a count of 4. Hold it for a count of 2. And exhale slowly for a count of 6. Do this one more time as you allow your breath to calm your mind and bring you deeper into mindfulness. Imagine you're sitting beside a calm, flowing river. The river represents your thoughts, constantly moving, always flowing. As you sit beside the river, notice the thoughts of your inner critic floating on the surface of the water, like leaves being carried downstream. Take a deep breath in and hold, and just watch these leaves floating away. And exhale. One more deep breath in and hold, watching the leaves float. They are not part of you. They're simply passing by. And exhale. With each breath, feel the inner critic's voice growing softer, less intrusive. Take another deep breath in and hold, feeling grounded in this present moment, silently saying to yourself, I release the need to engage with self-criticism. And exhale. Do this one more time. Inhale and hold while saying to yourself, I release the need to engage with self-criticism. And exhale, allowing the leaves on the river to continue drifting away, knowing that you do not need to hold on to these thoughts. Feel the peace of the river flowing within you. You're present, you're mindful, you're connected to your true self, a self that is kind, compassionate, worthy of love. Let's take another deep breath in and hold while silently affirming, I embrace self-compassion. exhale, releasing any remnants of judgment or harshness. With every breath, the inner critic's voice becomes quieter and quieter, replaced by a deep sense of peace and self-compassion. Let's anchor this feeling of mindfulness with a series of affirmations. And as you breathe, just let these affirmations settle into your body and mind and subconscious, reinforcing your inner critic and quieting the critical voice. So take a deep breath in, silently repeat to yourself, "I am enough just as I am." And exhale, feeling this truth resonate deeply within you. Again, inhale deeply and affirm, "I choose self-compassion over self-criticism." And exhale slowly, letting go of any judgment. Take another deep breath in, silently saying, "I observe my thoughts with kindness and self-judgment." And exhale fully, allowing this truth to settle into your mind and body. One last breath in, affirming, "I am at peace with myself." And exhale slowly, feeling this peace take root within you. Again, with each breath, you're deepening your connection to mindfulness and quieting the voice of the inner critic, replacing it with kindness and self-acceptance. Let's quiet the breath and relax. Just notice your breath, slowing down, your chest rising and falling. Take a moment to notice how you feel. You've observed your inner critic with mindfulness and compassion, allowing its voice to soften and quiet, cultivating a deeper connection to your true self, a self that is free from harsh judgments and open to self-kindness. Just sit in this moment. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes gently, reawakening your body. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, returning fully to your surroundings. Take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to your inner growth and well-being. Each time you return to this practice, you will strengthen your ability to quiet your inner critic and embrace self-compassion. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this meditation helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more life-changing meditations and leave a comment below on how it's helping you. I look forward to continuing this journey with you again tomorrow.